everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a makeup tutorial on this look, and I'm specifically using this palette, which is from the brand called Deck of Scarlet. It's edition number 8, and this is the Kim Tai palette, the collaboration that they did with her. She's a YouTuber. So they actually sent this to me a little while ago and asked me to create a makeup look for my channel. So I said, let me see what it looks like. And then I thought, yeah, I quite like the colors. So I decided to put together this look. So this is what the palette itself looks like, and it's got 2 compartments. This one has got 2 lipsticks in it, and then this one has got some eyeshadows as well as a blusher and a highlighter, along with a mirror on the top. Personally, I would say, because this palette is geared towards Kim Tai, who's quite fair skin, I would say that for those of you who follow me on here, if you are interested in purchasing it, it would be better suited if you were fair to medium skin tones. If you have got very deep skin tones, I wouldn't suggest that all the colours would work. For example, this shade here called Myth, your skin colour would pretty much eat up the shade. And I also think that the blush may be a little bit too light for you. So that's just my honest little review for you guys, because obviously you guys trust me and I have to be completely transparent when I have received a product from another brand. I'm not making any money from this video. However, they have given me a code to use for you guys if you are interested in purchasing this. I will link all the information that you need to know in the info bar below. But I really like the way that this look came out. It came out really soft, quite pretty, and it's not too over the top. And as well as this, it also comes with this little lip gloss here, which is called Love Spell. It smells really nice, by the way, and I really liked it topped on top of the lipstick from this. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all in the video. Bye. Hello everybody. So basically my foundation, contour, concealer and blur and all that stuff is done already, but I will list the products below. Now firstly, to prep my eyes, I'm using the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor. This is just to prep my eyes before I apply the eyeshadow, to keep it in place all day so that it doesn't smudge or budge, plus it makes the colours more vibrant. Now first, from the Dream palette, I am using this shade which is called Fairy Dust, which is a highlighter shade, but I'm using it on my brow bone because I love to use highlighter shades on my brow bone. I actually do it quite a lot just because I like a shimmery brow bone highlight, why not? Followed by the shade Myth, which is this very pale kind of caramel beige sort of shade. It's very pale, which is why I had to go in at least 2-3 times backwards and forwards in the crease using my Morphe M330 blending brush, which, as you guys know, is my all-time favorite brush, to the point where I own about 100. Anyway, I'm going backwards and forwards and building up the color, and then I'm using the shade Crown, which is another matte shade. It's like a raspberry shade, and I'm just using this dense blending brush to place it in the outer V area, where I am slowly blending it and then tiny bit dragging it in. Don't know why I was making that excited looking face. I think I just liked how it was coming out. And then just keep blending and dragging it in, and then I use the same Morphe brush with no extra product, just to blend out the edges so that there are no harsh lines at all and it looks nice and soft. Then I'm using the shade Enchanted, which is a gorgeous peach gold, really intense and buttery metallic shade. It looks so gorgeous. It's a great alternative to use from your normal gold, and I'm using the Sigma E60 large shader brush to apply it all over the lid, and then with no extra product, just to blend out the edges so that there are again no harsh lines. Now I'm using the shade Crown yet again, and I'm going in with the lower lash line, or to the lower lash line, using a Royal & Langnickel Pro Pencil Blender brush. And I managed to get it in my eye, which is why I was making that face. And I'm using the same Fairy Dust yet again with a MAC pencil brush to apply it to my tear duct, followed by my Scandalized Kohl Kajal from Rimmel in the shade Black to line my waterline. And now I'm just doing my eyeliner, as I always tend to do, using my NYC liquid liner, which is a really intense and black liner which I love to use all the time. It's my favorite. Then I'm doing my mascara, which is the Total Temptation mascara by Maybelline, and I'm just generously coating my eyelashes before I apply my false eyelashes. Yeah, don't know what that was about, having a whiff. And then I'm using my Push Up Angel mascara to go into my lower lash line, just so that they look nice and wide and open and lovely. And then the eyelashes I'm using is the House of Lashes eyelashes in the style Iconic. Absolutely love these, and I'm applying them in place and fiddling around with them till I'm happy with my tweezers, like I always do. Now my eyes are done, and let's move on to the cheeks. Remember, they've already been contoured, and now I'm using this baby pink blush shade called Tiara, which is a matte blush, and I'm applying it using an e.l.f. complexion brush. I love this blush brush, by the way, guys. It's gorgeous. I'm applying it to the backs of my cheeks, and then I'm using the shade Fairy Dust yet again, because obviously it is a highlighter, so funnily enough I'm using it as a highlighter, using a Morphe M501 pointed blender brush, just to highlight the normal areas, tip of the nose, between the eyes, to create dimension to the nose, as well as the Cupid's bow that makes your lips look a little bit fuller. Now for the lip liner, I'm using a Colourpop shade in I Love Serahi in the shade Curvy, and this is just so that I have something a little bit more defined before I apply the lipstick, and it's a gorgeous kind of nudie brown shade. Now I'm using the lipsticks, which are obviously in pressed format. First I'm using the shade Kiss. As you can see, it's a lovely kind of caramel deep brown sort of shade, well, not too deep. And then the shade Maiden. So first I'm using Kiss, and I am using a Royal & Langnickel Pro lip brush to apply all over the lips and to blend out the lip liner. Then I'm using the shade Maiden to go all over the top, and now you can see it's turned it into a really gorgeous kind of rosy pink sort of shade, really romantic and flattering. And then I'm using the lip gloss that also comes with this set in the shade Love Spell, and it really gives it a nice juicy kind of look to the lips, really gorgeous, kind of natural looking. Plus this lip gloss smells amazing, by the way. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.